Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are diving a beautiful pink crochet baby cap. Start by choosing a soft pink yarn. Get a crochet hook size suitable for your yarn. Make a slip knot and put it on your hook. Chain 4 and join to form a ring. Crochet 12 double crochets into the ring. Slip stitch to join and chain 2. Crochet 2 double stitches in each crochets around. Slip stitch to join and chain 2. Repeat step 7 until the cap is the desired size. Switch to a smaller hook size for the brim. Crochet one row of single crochets around the edge. Slip stitch to join and fasten off. Weave in any loose ends. To make a cute bow, chain a length of yarn. Fold the chain in half and tie it in the middle. Attach the bow to the front of the cap. You can add a flower or button for extra decoration. Make sure all pieces are securely attached. Check the cap for any loose threads or rough spots. Adjust the size if necessary for a perfect fit. Crocheting should be done in a relaxed and comfortable position. Take breaks if your hands or fingers feel tired. Count stitches regularly to avoid mistakes. Keep your tension consistent for an even finish. Don't rush, enjoy the process of creating something beautiful. If you make a mistake, don't worry, it's easy to undo and fix. Practice makes perfect, so keep trying if you are new to crochet. Watch tutorial videos for extra guidance if needed. Keep your yarn and tools organized for easy access. Take measurements if you are unsure about sizing. Remember to wash and block your finished cap. Use gentle detergent and cold water to avoid shrinking. Lay flat to dry to maintain its shape. Thank you so much for watching this video.